Vivo V60 versus Xiaomi Redmi 15. The Vivo V60 sports a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with HDR10+, 120Hz refresh rate, and an impressive peak brightness of 5,000 nits, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks that truly stand out compared to the Redmi 15's 6.9-inch IPS LCD with a faster 144Hz refresh rate but lower peak brightness of 850 nits. This makes the V60's screen superior for multimedia and outdoor visibility. Under the hood, the Vivo V60 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, built on a 4nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with a high-performance Cortex-720 core at 2.8 GHz and the Adreno 722 GPU, offering better efficiency and gaming performance than the Redmi 15 Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 on 6nm with a slightly older CPU architecture and Adreno 619 GPU. The Vivo V60 shines with its triple rear camera setup, highlighted by a 50-megapixel wide sensor paired with a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and OIS, enabling versatile and sharp photography, while the Redmi 15 sticks to a simpler 50-megapixel main camera without telephoto capabilities. While the Redmi 15 boasts a larger 7,000 mAh battery, promising longer endurance, the Vivo V60's 6,500 mAh pack, coupled with a more power-efficient chipset, might balance out real-world usage, but Redmi definitely leads in sheer capacity. Vivo V60 offers a wider range of configurations, going up to 512GB storage and 16GB RAM, catering to power users, whereas the Redmi 15 maxes out at 256GB and 8GB RAM, which is still solid but less expansive. Durability is a clear win for the Vivo V60, with IP68, IP69 certification, meaning it's dust-tight and can handle immersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 2 hours, while the Redmi 15 only offers IP64 splash resistance, so the V60 is built for tougher conditions. Both run the latest Android 15, but Vivo's FunTouch 15 promises up to 4 major Android upgrades, giving it a longer software support lifespan compared to Xiaomi's HyperOS 2. Price-wise, the Vivo V60 commands around $430, reflecting its premium features, while the Redmi 15 offers great value between $250 and $300, making it a budget-friendly contender.